18th second part. So you can see here. All of you open your book. Second part of question number 80. So here you can see, have you done up to the question number 17? Is there any problem in any question up to question number 17?
No, sir.
Upon a minus b into x to the power b plus c upon x to the power a whole to the power b minus c into x to the power c plus a upon x to the power b whole to the power c minus a. You have to simplify this. So if you see it carefully, here you find that a plus b and here outside a minus b. Here power rule will apply because there are the successive powers. So how will you solve this? We will not bring x to the power c in numerator. It's clear? मीन्स ऐसा नहीं करेंगे कि ये पावर हम न्यूमरेटर से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें न्यूमरेटर की पावर से. And why? Because you can see that when you will multiply a plus b, a minus b, it will be a square minus b square. Same thing applies here. Same thing applies here. So now you open the bracket. So when you will open the bracket, then outside power will be multiplied with the inside power. So x to the power a plus b into a minus b divided by नीचे क्या हो जाएगा c into a minus b, then x to the power b plus c into b minus c and divided by x to the power a into b minus c, then x to the power c plus a into c minus a upon x to the power b into c minus c. Now a plus b into a minus b, it is a square minus b square upon x to the power a into c ac minus bc into here b plus c into b minus c, b square minus c square upon x to the power ab minus ac into x to the power c square minus a square upon x to the power bc minus ab. Now you can see here that all the terms are in multiplication. Means this into this into this divided by this into this into this. So see here what will happen. Since this is the product of exponential terms, so what will happen? Bases are same, so powers will be added. So x to the power a square minus b square, b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. In denominator it will be x to the power ac minus bc, ab minus ac and bc minus ab. So when you will simplify minus b square plus this cancel. Similarly ac minus ac minus bc plus bc, ab minus ab, all the powers will be cancelled. So what will you get in numerator? X की power 0 upon x to the power 0 means 1 upon 1, that is 1. So this way. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you
Yes,
can
sir.
see question number 19. Here also these questions are of similar type. Question number 19 you can see here. First part I am doing. This is square root order of surd is LM. Within surd it is x to the power L upon x to the power M into, then order of surd is Mn, and here it is x to the power M upon x to the power N into order of surd is NL, x to the power N upon x to the power L. Now, as you know that when you remove the order of surd, it will go in the denominator of existing power, और किसकी? जो सर्ड के अंदर टर्म है. So you can see here सर्ड के अंदर इतना है, इसकी पावर कितनी है? 1 है. So it will go in the denominator, means it will become x to the power L upon x to the power M whole to the power 1 upon Lm into x to the power M upon x to the power N whole to the power 1 upon Mn, and this is whole to the power 1 upon NL. Now powers will multiply. When powers will multiply, what will you get? X to the power L into 1 upon Lm divided by x to the power M into 1 upon Lm into here x to the power M into 1 upon Mn divided by x to the power N into 1 upon Mn. Then x to the power N into 1 upon NL. Powers will multiply because there are successive powers divided by x to the power L into 1 upon NL. Now simplify. When you will simplify, you will get L and L cancel, M and M cancel. So what will you get in numerator? X की power 1 upon M. X की power 1 upon M. And in denominator you will get x की power 1 upon L. Means it is, I am writing bigger, 1 upon M divided by x की power 1 upon L. Then you can see here M and M cancel, and here N and N cancel. So it is x की power 1 upon N divided by x की power 1 upon M. Then you can see here x की power N and N cancel 1 upon L divided by L and L cancel x की power 1 upon N. So all are the exponential terms. Their bases are same. Therefore, powers will be added because all the terms are in product. In numerator, it is this into this into this. In denominator, this multiplied by this multiplied by this. So it will be x की power 1 upon m plus 1 upon n plus 1 upon L. Here x की power 1 upon L plus 1 upon m plus 1 upon n. Now what will you do? You will rearrange the terms. If you see here and here, both are same. Only you have to rearrange the terms. Terms को rearrange करना. पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे? हम डिनोमिनेटर में rearrange करेंगे. 1 upon n plus 1 upon L. Here x की power 1 upon m plus 1 upon n plus 1 upon L. So it is same, numerator and denominator both are same, so cancel out, equals to 1. Answer will be 1. So now you can see question number 19, third part. In 19, second part, there will be the formula of a cube minus b cube. While in the third part, formula of a cube plus b cube will apply. You can see here. So I am going to explain 19 third part. Third and second part both are same, means similar. X power a upon x power minus b whole power a square minus ab plus b square. Then x power b upon x power minus c whole power b square minus bc plus c square into x power c upon x power minus a whole to the power c square minus ca plus a square. You can see here, when you will take this term in numerator, this power will be subtracted. When you will subtract, what will happen? There is already there minus. When you will subtract minus and minus plus, means it will become x की power a minus minus b whole की power plus b square. Then x की power b minus minus c whole की power plus c square into x की power c minus minus a whole to the power c square minus ca plus a square. Minus into minus is plus. A plus b. Outside a square minus ab plus b square. B plus c. Outside power is b square minus bc plus c square into x की power c plus a and outside power is c square minus ca plus a square. Now powers will multiply. Here powers will multiply because there are successive powers. A plus b into plus b square. Then x की power b plus c into b square minus bc plus c square into x की power c plus a plus a square. Now you can see here this is equals to what? So it is a cube minus b cube. You know these are the special products. Special products, so it will be x की power a cube plus b cube. Here x की power b cube plus c cube, and this is x की power c cube plus a cube. Means x की power a cube plus b cube plus b cube plus c cube plus c cube plus a cube. So you can get 2a cube plus 2b cube plus 2c cube. Means x की power 2a cube plus 2b cube plus 2c cube. So this way we can do. Now question number 20 and 21. These are also very simple. So here I will explain only one, that is 21 fourth part I am going to explain. Fourth part. You can
Sir,
see
there
this
is
is very simple. For example, 21st part. It is a की power minus 1 plus b की power minus 1 divided by a to the power minus 2 minus b to the power minus 2. What will you do? You write in this way, 1 upon a plus 1 upon b divided by 1 upon a square minus 1 upon b square. So it will be b plus a upon ab divided by b square minus a square upon a square b square. This way. Now b plus a you can write a plus b upon ab. B plus a you can write a plus b. And here this is multiplication. So you make it, this is division. Here it is division. So you make it multiplication. You make this multiplication and then reciprocate this. मतलब इसका उल्टा कर दे. Minus a square. You can see here, rearrange the term a square b square upon ab into a plus b. You factorize this, b plus a into b minus a. When you will factorize, what will happen? B plus a plus b cancel. Here one power will be cancelled. So what will you get? You will get ab. And in denominator, you will get b minus a. This is answer. You can see it. Now, 21 second part. So see here. Second part. It is x plus y plus z. I am taking LHS. X की power minus 1, y की power minus 1 plus z की power minus 1 plus z की power minus 1 into x की power minus 1. you have to prove that it is equal to xyz. So here also you do in the same way. You write negative power as 1 x की power minus 1 upon x into 1 upon y. 1 upon y into 1 upon z plus 1 upon z into 1 upon x means x plus y plus z divided by 1 upon xy, 1 upon yz plus 1 upon zx. Now you simplify this thing, this bracket. So what is LCM here? You can see in denominator, when you will simplify, LCM is x, y, z. So it is z. YZ के place पर x and ZX place y. That is x plus y plus z. This will reciprocate and multiply. X, y, z and denominator, this you can rearrange. Z plus x plus y you can write as x plus y plus z. This and this cancel. This is proved. So now you can see question number 22 say 25, and they are also on the same concept. All questions are on same concept here. You can see here 22, 23 are of same type, and then 24, 25 are of same type. First you see, I am taking question number 23, or you can take 22 also. A की power, A equals to C की power Z. B equals to A की power X. And C equals to B की power Y. This is given. You have to prove that X, Y, Z equals to 1. X, Y, Z you have to prove equal to 1. So you begin from here. Begin from this. A की equals to C की power Z. Now in place of C you can write B की power Y. B की power Y whole की power Z means B की power YZ. Now in place of B you can write this. A की power X whole की power YZ means A की power XYZ. And here it is A. So no power means 1. So on comparing, X, Y, Z will be equal to 1. Similarly, you can see question number 23. Here it is given A equals to X into Y की power P minus 1. B equals to X into Y की power Q minus 1. And C equals to X into Y की power R minus 1. This thing is given. And you have to prove that. You have to prove A की power Q minus R into B की power R minus P into c की power p minus q equals to 1. This you have to prove. So see here, what will you do? How will you prove? So in place of A, B, C, we will write these things. So you can see LHS. A के place पर you can write x into y की power p minus 1 into q minus r. Then in place of b, x into y की power q minus 1 whole की power r minus p. This is x into y की power r minus 1 whole की power p minus q. So see here, from this bracket you will get x की power q minus r. Because there is no power means power is 1. Here power rule will apply and these powers will multiply. So when you open this bracket, what will you get? X की power 1 into q minus r and y की power into y की power p minus 1 into q minus r. Similarly, from here you will get x की power r minus p. From here you will get x की power p minus q. So you write all the terms of x at one place and terms of y at one place. You can write into y की power p minus 1 into q minus r. Y की power q minus 1 into r minus p. R minus 1 into p minus q. Now you simplify. When you will simplify terms of x, since they are in the product, bases are same, therefore product rule will apply. X powers will be added. Into y. When you will add the powers, what will you get? P minus 1 into q minus r, what will you get? P into q minus pr minus q. I am writing together plus r. Then from here, what will you get? QR minus PQ minus R plus P. And from here, PR minus QR minus P plus Q. Simplify. You can get here Q minus Q minus P plus P minus R plus R. All powers cancelled, x to the power 0 into. Here you can see PQ minus PQ minus PR plus PR minus Q plus Q plus R minus R plus QR minus QR and plus P minus P. That is y to the power 0. So 1 into 1 equals to 1. Here this is the answer. So now you can see one more question. 24 and 25 are of similar type. So I am going to do question number 25. Here a rule will apply that you will remember. What is given here? 2 की power x equals to 3 to the power y equals to 12 की power z. And you have to prove this x equals to 2yz upon y minus z. You have to prove. This is given. So we will start from the given. 2 to the power x equals to 3 to the power y equals to 12 की power z equals to k. We have assumed it as k. So 2 की power x equals to k. There is no power, means 1 power. When you take x in that side, what will you get? 2 equals to k की power 1 upon x. Then 3 to the power y equals to k. That is equals to 3 equals to, when power is taken from one side to the other side, power get reciprocated. जब पावर को एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ ले जाते हैं तो पावर उल्टी हो जाती है. So it is 3 equals to k की power 1 upon y. It's clear? And then 12 की power z equals to k. That is 12 equals to k की power 1 upon z. All of you wait for a minute. For 1 minute, all of you wait. Now see here. Now you have to combine this. So what you can write? 12. 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. That is 2 square into 3 की power 1. Now we will substitute these values. In place of 12, you can write k की power 1 upon z. In place of 2, you can write k की power 1 upon x. 2 के प्लेस पर ये रख सकते, whole to the power 2. And in place of 3, you can write this. This is k की power 2 upon x into k की power 1 upon y. Now powers will be added. So here 1 upon z equals to, on comparing, what will you get? Here k की power 1 upon z, and this is k की power 2 upon x plus 1 upon y. So you can see here. This is 2 upon x plus 1 upon y. So you can write 1 upon 2 upon x equals to y minus z upon yz. So x upon 2 equals to yz upon, so x equals to 2yz upon y minus z. Hence proved. So now you will do question number 26, 27. These questions you will do by your own. 26, 27, then 29. It's clear? Here 31, 32. These questions you can do very simple. Question number 38, 39. So all of you try to do these questions. Even question number 36. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 question I am giving, you will solve. If you don't get, then you tell me tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.